This is the state of the kitchen at, God, it's only 1:05 in the afternoon. Woke up at 3:30 this morning. So this is the state of play with the kitchen refurb at the moment. And if we go in here, we can see little Timothy. I'll have to go and open the front door, get him to come in. He's a bit upset. Tim! Timmy! Tim! You want to come this way? Come on. And he's frightened of the wind. Come through the front door. Come on. You want to go in the kitchen, Tim? It's very scary. Come on. Come in the front room. Come on. I know it's scary. There's things that aren't supposed to be here. Oh, are you coming in? No. Oh dear. Come on, Timmy. I know. It's all messed up, isn't it? Yeah, it's all messed up. Come on, you come in the house. Come in the front room. Come in the front room. Come on. Quick before the scary men come back. Come on, before the scary men come back. Come on. Come on, sweetie. In the front room. Come on. Come in. Oh, he's not had anything to eat for a while.